Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Yes, yesterday Nifty closed 20 points down, and from its all-time high levels of around 15,915, it saw a correction of 100 points. From the top, Nifty is clearly seeing this kind of a sell-off, and resistance is now taken for the fourth time above levels of 15,900, and attempt to 16,000 is definitely failing. Please understand, markets have gone up non-stop from 14,200 to levels of 15,900. So that means the whole rally what you see around 1,700 points has not seen any correction or any profit booking whatsoever. So market cannot go up and up every day, every week, every month on month, and all bull market should see some amount of healthy correction. Bank Nifty was definitely outperforming yesterday compared to Nifty, and HDFC Bank was the key performer there, which has the highest weightage in bank index. Yesterday, on top of that last 1 hour correction, what we saw, still over 300 points, Bank Nifty closed positive. However, we can only see that outperformance compared to Nifty in Bank Nifty, but then overall market is surely showing signs of tiredness. Also, today, very crucial support on Nifty future is at around 15,750. This level for me on futures is very important, and if we close today below 15,750, then market will confirm that yes, a further profit booking and a correction will be on card. But let me tell you, market is very much tightly range bound in this broad range of 15,500 to 16,000. This 500 point range, market is tightly just trading, waiting for cues from the coming result season. Now, if you see the upcoming result season starting from tomorrow, TCS will declare its results. And let me tell you, for the entire last month and even quarter, and even for the whole year of 2021, there has been a huge outperformance in IT as a sector. Even though you get blockbuster results from IT, still there can be clear signs of profit booking because people are already long till their neck, and from here for prices to further go up is very tough in spite of positive results. So understanding the positioning of market, how markets are positioned before the result, how price action has moved before the result is very very important. And you all saw Reliance 44th AGM was a blockbuster AGM with lot of positive announcements, but then still stock corrected 8% from the top, only because last month before this AGM announcement, in 1 month Reliance was up 11%. Having seen that huge up move already, it was just buy on rumor and sell off news kind of an activity, where in spite of all positive news, market started correcting. Yes, it was yesterday live market hours I hinted in my Twitter channel about motor removed from Tata Motor. Now let me tell you, people are asking what's happening in Tata Motor, why the stock is falling, and the whole headlines yesterday was on Tata Motor. That's the reason why, even though I do Easy Money Show once morning before the market opens as pre-market, and I do one more post-market Easy Money Show, what is very significantly to be considered is during live market I still give update, and that was given to you on Tata Motor on my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy. Now what happened to Tata Motor was the chip, because of the shortage, especially the Jaguar sales is expected to drop to a whopping 50%, and the bad performance which was already there for Q1 and Q2, Q3 will also get impacted because of this chip shortage. No doubt it is just not for Tata Motors, but across the automobile industry, this was there, but it was very evident and outspoken by Tata Motor. Now, because of the fall to the extent of 50% of sales, which can happen because of this news, the sell off in Tata Motors, according to me, is still not over. And let me also tell you, I won't be surprised if I see other automobile stocks like Maruti and few others in the same sector can also see correction. And let me tell you, there is a huge cash flow reduction because of this news, and results may not be so great for the upcoming 2 more quarters of Tata Motors. Now this will have a significant impact on stock price, but however, looking at how Tata Motors is positioned and what will happen next to the stock, please understand 360 was a very, very crucial resistance. I know many people today will come out and say the same person saying Tata Motors buy is now telling sell just within 30 minutes. Might be this news came somewhere afternoon around 2:30, and just half an hour before 2:30, any technical analyst would have told buy Tata Motor, and the same Tata Motor fell hugely, and people might make a mockery of the same. I'm not here to talk anything about others because I don't want to waste neither my time nor your time. But let me tell you, it is easy to make a mockery of others like this happened, that happened. No one is God here. Neither we have too many already existing liars in social media. If you are truthful, yes, you can go wrong many a times. You don't have to be right 10 out of 10 times to make money in market, and it is not possible to be right 10 out of 10 times. But then I'll tell you, I know people who are right 8 out of 9 times, or they might be right 9 out of 10 times, but they're still not making money in market because 1 out of 10 time when they lose very big, and they lose everything what they would have made 8 or 9 times. When they make money out of 10 time, they make small money, but once when they lose everything. I know people who are doing covered call and lot of easy strategies on Tata Motor. They keep selling put options or call options, and they keep minting money small every month on covered call. But yesterday one fall which you all saw on Tata Motor would have covered all their profits made out of covered call. Now what people see, sir, in last 12 months I have done covered call, 11 months I made profit, only one time I have lost. But what you don't know is 11 times when they have made money, let's say they made 1,000 rupees, so 11 times they made 11,000, they lost only once. Like yesterday when Tata Motors fell hugely, but they would have lost 20,000 yesterday. What is the use of making 1,000 rupee 11 times and totally you made 11,000, but once you lost 12,000, directly 20,000. So you made 1,000 rupee each for 11 times, which is 11,000, and only once you lost directly 20,000. Net effect is minus 9,000. Other way around, imagine someone who lost only 1,000 rupee 11 months. He lost totally 11,000, but once he made just 20,000 totally, even though he lost 11 times out of 12 time, made money only one time, he's still making huge money. So what is important? Remember the great trader George Soros. He says it is not important how many times you are right or wrong. What is important is when you are right, how much big money you made, and when you are wrong, how much less money you lost. That matters a lot. So let me now clearly tell you, putting my neck out, for me, Tata Motors has still not come to its bottom to buy. And also do remember, any rise in Tata Motor will get sold into. So for me, the strong support on Tata Motor emerges at 280 to 282 level. So till we come to those range on Tata Motor, I will not look at any buying opportunity. In fact, it's a sell on every rise. 360 is a crucial hurdle for momentum traders. Wait out for Tata Motors to cross decisively above 360, and for people who want to catch the falling knife, let us at least wait and see what it will do at around 280 level. I'm not saying it's a buy at 280. I'm only trying to tell you, let us wait out till that level. Let Tata Motor come there. It has closed somewhere at around 315 to 320 yesterday. Even from there is a fall of another 35-40 rupees which can still happen on Tata Motor. So I don't advocate any buying or catching the falling knife at current levels on Tata Motor, and 360 will remain as a crucial resistance. Every rise on Tata Motor will get sold into. Let it come to those crucial support zones of 280, 282, where we will take a fresh call on what next to Tata Motor. However, it all depends on the time frame what you have. If you are a very long term investor and Tata Motors fall today may not impact you much, if you have entered it at around 80 or 100 rupees, still you are making easily over 3 times 4 times the money from where Tata Motor went up hugely. But then I want to caution you and tell you, people who want to catch the falling knife, it is better to make money on stocks where there are more clarity in, rather than trying to catch this falling Tata Motor. We have so many stock opportunities in market. Why then to chase Tata Motor? SGX Nifty is indicating now a fall of around 60-70 point. Watch 15,750. Very crucial support on Nifty future, and if we break this, we see some more downturn which can take to 15,500 levels. I'm putting my neck out and telling this is not a market to go long with high leverage. It is a time to be very cautious and lighten your leverage position, sit in cash, move out from the quantity and lower quality stocks, move into higher quality stocks, shift from mid cap, small cap to large cap, and move out of momentum to value picks. This is my take on the overall market, Tata Motor, Nifty future levels which I have given you, and all the news coming around. IT, I am very clearly telling, even though the results will be blockbuster, still I expect some amount of profit booking because we have already run up too much. Let me also tell you, the service data which came yesterday in US was not good. Growth rate is below expectation in America, and inflation moving up, dollar moving up is not a good sign. However, the only positive news just from yesterday to today is crude having hit 6 years high at around $77 plus. It has now corrected and it is back to $74-$75 kind of a level. And if crude does not move beyond that $77 to $78 per barrel, that will be an only positive news. But if crude also starts making a move beyond $78 per barrel, I am telling you, inflation will move up, central banks will start taking off the easy monetary policy, liquidity will tighten, and this will result in markets to see some amount of more profit booking and correction, because it is way below the expected levels of growth. Many a times people ask how this non-stop delivery, one single shot about everything in market so well. It is only because if the tank is full, water will come from the tap. If the tank is empty, only nonsense will come out of the tap, and air will come a lot. Let me also tell you guys, many a times I laugh and my fans laugh when someone commented that this is memorization and that is how it is happening. This is not a joke or a poem to memorize and say, because every day the news keeps changing. It requires lot of water inside the tank. See you with lot more videos, lot more take on market. Yesterday you all learned freak trade. If someone has missed about freak trade and order flow, do watch my yesterday's video without fail. Make lot of notes. Do forward this video to as many people as possible. Right now subscribe to the channel Rudralogy and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever we upload beautiful videos like this. Keep learning, keep earning. Thank you for watching. Waiting to see your comments below on today's learning, and evening we'll be back with more learning. Thanks a lot. Take care. Have a profitable day.